PlanetTogether has the ability to watch specific jobs using the Watch Job function. Turning on Watch Job for a particular order places the order and its connected operations on a separate Gantt to isolate the view. The benefit of placing an order on the Watch Job list is if you have an order that is a high priority, you can see the effects of the schedule on the order. Did materials become unavailable? Did a change in capacity move the order? First, locate an order and right-click. Hover over Analysis, and you will see your Watch Job option. Click Watch Job. It splits your Gantt and creates a Watch Job Gantt below. Here I can see my order and other orders that I am watching. To return to my full Gantt view, I can use my drop-down and select Resource Gantt. If I want to see just my Watch Job Gantt, I can select that, or I can split my Gantt as it does when I first select Watch Job. As orders are produced and are moved to a finished status, they will automatically come off the Watch Job Gantt.